In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Capital.com leverage. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the leverage setting, how to apply it safely in a practice environment, and what to expect when you open a trade. We'll start in a demo account so you can practice without risking real money. On Capital.com, go to Account, then My Accounts, and select Demo. Take a second to confirm you're in the demo space. Look for indicators like a virtual balance or a demo label. Practicing here is the best way to get comfortable with how leverage affects your trades before moving to live funds. Next, head to Trade Options and choose Leverage. This is where you set the leverage level that will apply to any new trades you open going forward. Leverage simply means controlling a larger position with a smaller amount of capital. For example, with 1.5 leverage, $100 in margin controls, $500 of market exposure. That magnifies both potential gains and potential losses, so pick a level that matches your experience and risk tolerance. Keep in mind that available leverage can vary by region, account type, and instrument, so you may see different maximums depending on what you trade. Once you've selected the leverage you want, you're ready to open a trade. Choose the market you're interested in, review the price chart in details, and place your order as you normally would. The platform will automatically apply the leverage you set to this new position. You'll notice that the required margin, the amount set aside from your balance, reflects your chosen leverage. Higher leverage reduces the margin needed, but increases sensitivity to price moves, so monitor your position size carefully. It's important to understand that you cannot change leverage for an already open position. Leverage is locked in at the moment you open a trade. If you want a different leverage level, adjust it in the leverage settings first, and then any new trades you open after that will use the updated level. This approach keeps things consistent and avoids unexpected changes mid-trade. A few final tips as you practice. Keep an eye on your margin level and available funds, especially when markets are volatile. Remember that leverage can accelerate outcomes in both directions, and use the demo account until you feel completely comfortable with how your positions behave. That's it. Set your demo account, choose your leverage in trade options, and then open a trade to see it in action. Take your time, experiment in demo, and build confidence before applying these settings in a live environment.